severe thunderstorm was located near Hudson Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hudson Falls, Granville, Hartford, Comstock, Kingsbury, Porter, Fort Anne, Middle Granville, Bramer School, Dunham Basin, Smith Basin, Adamsville, North Granville, South Granville, Trueville, Raceville, Tripoli, West Granville, Sladeville, and East Hartford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Washington, New York. What? Heat